Hey guys, it's Karen Marrow. Welcome to the channel. In today's video, we're going to be talking about how to monetize your YouTube videos in 2018. And if this is your first time to the channel, welcome. This channel is all about affiliate marketing, how to make money online, how to make money from home, and how to have freedom and choices to do what you love. And if those are topics of interest to you, go ahead and click the subscribe button and the bell icon. That way you can be notified when I upload new videos, which right now is on a daily basis. And if you're returning to the channel, thank you. I appreciate you. And with that being said, let's go ahead and get into the content. Again, this is how to monetize your YouTube videos in 2018. To position yourself in front of hungry buyers, part 1. And this is really exciting because people go to YouTube to search. There's a search in YouTube. Like Facebook does not have a search. Google has a search. YouTube has a search, and we're going to get into that in just a minute. But you can see this is the most recent statistics that I was able to find on YouTube. It was actually last year, but 1.5 billion monthly users and 2 billion Facebook monthly users. So you can see that a lot of people go to YouTube to find answers to their problems, and people watch 1 billion hours of YouTube daily. It's a lot of views. And compared to TV, 5,400 minutes of TV a month people watch, compared to 1,163 minutes on YouTube a month. And I think that is going to be climbing even higher on YouTube as time goes on. That it'll actually take over watching TV. And so what we want to do is position your videos in front of those that are looking for what you have to offer. Okay, so people are already searching certain topics, and so you're just going to get in front of those people. There's already the traffic there, and you can see that there's a lot of people that get on YouTube looking for certain things. And when you're in a specific niche, it's really quality over quantity. You can make sales with just a few subscribers and not that many views, because it's going to be very specific to what people are searching for. So what you want to do is create valuable content that people are looking for. And I'm going to share with you the places to look, because you're going to be wondering, well, what kind of content am I going to be putting on my YouTube videos? So the first thing is that YouTube has a search engine. And you're going to search and look for something, see what other people are doing, and put your own spin on it. So for example, let's go to YouTube. Let's say your niche is the health niche, and you have a CBD oil product. You're going to search and put in CBD oil, and I have what's called a keywords everywhere plugin installed here, and this will tell you the monthly searches for each keyword. So if you just go to Google and type in keywords everywhere Chrome, it'll be the first one here. It's free, and you're just going to plug that in, and you can see that when you type in CBD oil, you want to look for something that's over 1,000 per month searches, because they're going to get good traffic that way. So you can see that CBD oil benefits is a good keyword. This is not too bad. CBD oil side effects, CBD oil cancer, CBD oil effects. And that's a good one. Let's go ahead and click on that. So what you can do is see what other people have done videos on, because you can see that this person got 580,000 views. So this is a really good video to take a look at and see what they're talking about, kind of model after that. You can see what some of the other, this one here has 631,000 views. So this is a great way to find content and get in front of people that are already searching for CBD oil effects. So that's somebody that's probably looking to buy. Okay, so that's the first way. The second way is to go into Google and type in top top blogs for your niche and see what topics they're covering and model around these topics just to get ideas of what to make videos on. So I typed this in. It's kind of interesting because there's not any blogs about CBD oil, but if you look over here on the right hand side, you can see CBD oil reviews gets 3,600 views a month. So that would be a good keyword to do a video around, because if somebody's searching CBD oil reviews, they're probably looking for the best CBD oil that they can buy. Let's see, if you're in the wealth niche, you may type in affiliate marketing top blogs, and then you can click here and see go to these blogs and see what topics they're talking about, and that will give you ideas for what you can make videos about and what keywords you might search. I don't know how to get this off of here. Okay, so that is another great way to find topics to talk about. And number 3, go to Pinterest and use their search engine. That's another place that has a search engine. For example, travel tips, or if you're into the keto diet, if that's your niche. And interestingly enough, I typed in YouTube video ideas, and I found some things like easy engaging video content ideas. And you just see what kinds of things you can learn and then make a video about that. So if you're in the wealth niche, these are some ideas of what you may do. Behind the scenes look, show the making of your product, demonstrate the product uses. But again, if you just go to Pinterest and type in CBD oil, so you can see and hear what people are posting about, and it'll give you great ideas of what to create videos around. And you're not going to be copying these things, but it's just going to be giving you inspiration of what topics people want. And back to let's go back here to YouTube. Another way that you can do this is CBD oil and then a space and type in A and go through the whole alphabet. So you can see that there's a lot of different great keywords here. None of those actually are that many searches. You could do B, benefits, again it comes up, C, CBD oil cancer, D, E, you get the idea, effects. That will give you great ideas of what to create videos around. And the 4th way is to see what videos that get the most views that you've already done and use that same keyword and create similar content. So it's not like you're reinventing the wheel, but you're just kind of putting a different spin on it using the same keyword of a video that's gotten a lot of views for you. So that's what I wanted to cover in today's video. I didn't want to make it too long. That's part 1 of how to monetize your videos in 2018, and then part 2, what we're going to be discussing in the next video, is how to position your video for SEO, how to find keywords, how to write your title, how to write your description, how to create a thumbnail, and the frequency of your videos. So that's it for this video. I hope you found value from this video. If you did, go ahead and give me a thumbs up, give me a like. And if you want to stay tuned to my second video of how to get in front of hungry buyers in YouTube, go ahead and click the subscribe button and the bell icon. That way you'll be notified when my video uploads. And with that being said, I appreciate you guys. Take care. I will see you in the next video. Bye now.